Founded in 1998 with a focus on suspension components, 3D design is renewed through a line of BMW aero parts and accessories. From inception, 3D design has worked diligently to expand their product line and with great success has created a wide range of parts and accessories for BMW enthusiasts. 3D design's detail-oriented philosophy can be seen in every piece available for the G05 X5 M Sport. "3D design utilizes only the best materials, manufacturers and designers to create products that are in harmony with the intentions of BMW.